Hello, class, and welcome to week one of English 101 Online. I'm so happy that you've chosen to enlist in this course, and I wish for you a very successful semester. To begin, many of you have already started this, but I would like you to go to the Getting Started tab on the left side of the navigation bar, and that'll kind of orient you as to what to do, how to begin the course. So right now I'm on the Getting Started page, and if I scroll down a bit, you will see my welcome. You will see some important folders for course documents. In the course documents, you will see the syllabus for this semester. You'll see the schedule for this semester. We're starting with the tech module, and that module only has 3 weeks. And then you'll get some information about the course descriptions. If you go back, I'm going to hit the back button to go back. There's some important course information as well. The netiquette statement, how to type something, an email, no all caps, and so forth and so on. Some information about the testing centers, about our online writing lab for those of you who may need it, disability support, technical support, and so forth. So the Getting Started tab is a good place to start. Another place to start is the learning modules, where most or all of the lessons are housed. The first module is called an orientation module, and that'll give you an overview of how to navigate through the course and what's expected for the first 2 days of the semester. In this module, you'll be taking the online readiness quiz. You'll be watching a video on online learning. You'll also look at the syllabus, look at my information on the instructor information, and also I'd like you to do an orientation scavenger hunt quiz in the folder under the orientation module. Here's the discussion board folder, where you may introduce yourselves to the class this way. Also, in the orientation, here is the orientation module assignment that I'm talking about, that scavenger hunt. So the next day or so, I'd like you to work on that, on these orientations. The other thing I'd like you to note is that many students are asking, well, how do I know when things are due? I have the syllabus, I have the course schedule. The calendar is where you'll look to see when things are due. So my advice to you is, after you log on to Blackboard, please view the calendar. Look at it daily, look at it a few days ahead to see what's coming up due, and so forth. If I scroll down to this time, because I'm teaching a bunch of classes, it's highlighted in different colors, but you will see what I'd like you to begin. So in the next day or so, I'd like you to begin the tech module, and that's in the learning modules tab there to the left. And the activities are due each day. So to recap, introduce yourselves to the class on the discussion board. Please do the scavenger hunt, read through the orientation module information and the Getting Started information on the navigation bar, which is here. And then you may begin the tech module. I hope this was helpful.